Discover a Southern-inspired holiday delight. This irresistible, chocolate-covered, peanut butter-filled Ritz cracker. Elevate your festive season with a taste of Southern comfort and a delightful blend of sweet and savory in every bite. So come on in and join me in the kitchen and let's indulge in this delightful blend. It's sweet, it's savory, and it's filled with peanut butter. Does it get any better? This irresistible treat is inspired by the flavors of the South, and it's the perfect addition to elevate your holiday season. Let's get started. Now today I'm going to be using, of course, Ritz crackers. I've got some crunchy peanut butter and creamy. I might make some of both. I've got almond bark to dip them in. For toppings, I've got toffee bits, which is here. I've got some sprinkles, sugar sprinkles. I've got some peppermint. I ground up a peppermint cane. I think I've got some other decoratives here in the fridge. Let me get them out. Yes, I might pick some out of there, just to decorate the top of them with. Now I've started out by placing some parchment paper on the counter. I need to move my supplies off of it. And let's start getting these put together. Boy, this feels like Christmas. Now, what do I want? I think I want some of both. This is crunchy, which has not been opened yet. Crunchy. And I have some creamy, and it has been opened. So I wonder, take a little bit and see how much I can get in here. I want as much peanut butter in there as I can get without too much of it coming out. Perfect. Oh, that looks good. All right, so there's a creamy. You could put this in a sandwich bag or a piping bag, but I'm not going to make that many. There's just the two of us here. Sometimes when it gets a little bit closer to Christmas, I'll make up little treat boxes. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and give them away, but I won't do it this early. There's a creamy. 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 This one might be a little light. It's okay. Creamy. All right, now I want a little bit of crunchy. I'm the crunchy girl. I need to open some more crackers. All right, there's two crunchy. One, two, three, four, 5. These would make great little treats to give away. I think they would hold pretty good since they'll be coated in chocolate. I don't know about y'all, but I love sweet and salty. I can remember when I still lived at home as a kid, sometimes my parents would get out and ride around on Sunday. And my daddy, I mean, it was known. He was going to stop at a store at some point, and he was going to get probably a Reese's peanut butter cup and a bag of just plain chips, just a plain salty chip, like a Lay's maybe, a plain Lay's. So I guess that's where I get that sweet and salty love. It's from my daddy. Now I'm going to see if I can't melt some of this almond bark. Move some of this out of the way. Got me a bowl. And I'm just using plain old almond bark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's start there. I'll break it. And I don't know really how long it'll take to melt it. Every microwave is different. Melt on full power for 1 minute. Stir. Return for 15-second intervals each time. Okay? 1 minute. Grab me a spatula. Okay, let's see how close we are. It's melting. It's been in there almost 2 minutes in my microwave. Still got some clumps. Let me see if they'll stir out though. All right. Sure, this will be a little bit time consuming getting them covered. Let's see. And you want to work a little bit fast before your chocolate starts hardening. One. This is not bad. It's covering pretty good. Do y'all have Christmas memories or holiday memories in general to where your aunts either came to your house or a lot of the family gathered at the grandparents' house, and they would all be in the kitchen making their treats, whatever they were going to contribute to the meal and the gathering. And I always thought it was so neat because everybody had their own take, something they were known for too. Pleasant childhood memories. Now, before these get too set or hardened off, I need to put some toppings on them while they're still wet. I wonder if I can get these done real quick. Oh, oopsie. Three more in this batch. I just want to get them all out where I can put some toppings on them. Oh, dropped him. Try again. Let's go ahead and get him out. I'll set this to the side. Now, on part of these, I don't know why, but I wanted some peppermint sprinkled on the top. Oh, that looks festive. All right, there's 3 of those. I wonder what this red sugar will look like. I bet it won't show up on this chocolate too good. 2 of those. Here's what I really wanted. Toffee. Mm-hmm. I don't know if I want any of these or not. They're cute. Hold that thought. I want toffee. Let's get it on here before this gets completely dry. Now, I think I'm going to let these set here at room temperature. I could put them on a baking sheet and put them in the refrigerator. That'll help speed up the process, but I want them to get good and set before I pick them up. Once the chocolate has set, these treats should be ready to be either enjoyed right then or packaged up as a homemade holiday gift. Feel free to get creative with different types of chocolate or toppings to suit your taste or your preferences for your holiday theme. Okay, they have chilled. I put them in the refrigerator so they would chill a little bit quicker. But here's the ones with ground up peppermint stick on top. This was just some red sprinkles. They don't show up that well. I mean, you can see it. It's just sugar, red sugar. But these are toffee bits. Now, what I didn't think about at the time is what would really be good on top of this chocolate is to sprinkle, what do you call it? Is it kosher salt? Sea salt, but it's in a real light flake. It's bigger than grains of salt. It's a flake of salt. That would have been delicious. That would have been sweet and salty times. But that would have been good on top. I would like chopped up pecans or peanuts on top. That would be good. And also, I didn't do it, but I even took out some vanilla almond bark, I guess is what it is. I was going to melt some of that and drizzle it across the top. But you know what? I've got the Heath toffee bits on the top of most of them. I tasted a peppermint. I'm not a chocolate and peppermint. I'm not too big of a fan. I've never liked York peppermint patties. I've never liked thin mints that have chocolate on them. So I didn't make but just a few of them. I just thought they looked very festive, and they do. But the majority of them is going to have these Heath toffee bits. That is delicious. Delish. You know, in the South, Christmas is not just about the presents under the tree. It's about spending time with your loved ones, sharing moments together, and finding joy in simple things, such as these homemade treats that just embody the spirit of the season. I hope you are enjoying your holiday season and creating wonderful memories. Merry Christmas to y'all, and I'll talk to you later.